Hey, it's Marissa with Kids Art Now. Today we're going to be drawing a graffiti Spider-Man. The first step you're going to take is to make a line that goes to the side like this, and then bring it down, and we're going to almost make like a little triangle. And with all of these shapes, we're going to color them in. So you can use a thin marker like me and color it in, or you can use just a thicker marker, and then that should do it too. There we go. Now after that, we're going to make these little lines that kind of come out a bit, and it's not exact, so it's okay if you put random spots of lines. Here's another triangle, and then bring a little line down with a little triangle at the end. And I'm going to try to make this curved pattern for the eye. So this one's kind of like a Z with a curve at the end. Now bring it so that it has a little tiny spot where you can color it in, the little triangle in the corner. And this line, I want to make it a little darker, so I'm going to fill in that shape just going along with the curve. And you can kind of see that's his eye. There we go, just color it in. Now I'm going to bring another little zigzag line and bring a line down that makes it a triangle, color it in. For the other eye, I want to make a big curve. Now I'm going to start and kind of do another curve that goes up and into it, and bring it down so that we make another curve for the eye. Now start at the top, bring your line down so it curves on the same point, and zigzag in. Now this, we're gonna just shade it all in. And if I'm going too fast, remember you can pause the video. Just shade all of that in. Unless you have a thick marker, then it works too. I'm gonna stop there and bring it from the top, shade it in. And if you notice, I kind of left a little white spot. I thought that would be added more to the detail. So you can leave the white spot or keep it, it's up to you. Make a little curve in, bring it down just to darken that spot. Now I'm going to make little lines that kind of go down and up. Make that little curve, looks like a snake. And I want to darken just a little bit of it. There we go. On the other eye, I kind of want to match it, so I'm going to make a little snake curve and darken it as well. In the middle, this is where we're going to have his little Spider-Man mask lines go down. So make a curve that goes down straight. Curve again. And there we go, 3 lines. One more in the middle of that one. And these lines I'm kind of curving. Just random. These are his mask lines. So with graffiti, it's not exact. Make a little triangle in the corner. And now I'm going to try to make the top of his mask curve up. Kind of doing the same thing as we did at the bottom. And make those mask lines. See how I'm not exact, just kind of curving the way I want it to go. 3 little curves. 1 curve there. Do a little one. A little curve. There we go. I just want to make a little darker at the top. Now in the middle of his face, I want you to make this kind of darkened pattern. So just shade in where his nose would be. I'm gonna curve in the eye just a little bit. Now here's the fun part. Grab a big, thick red marker and kind of make these splashes of red everywhere. You're gonna make some just random at the bottom of the mask and then at the top. Remember, it's kind of graffiti, so it's spraying everywhere with the paint. So have fun with this, stay for the drawing, and subscribe to the channel for brand new drawings. I'll see you next time. Bye!